Hello children, welcome to our world through English. So today we are going to start a beautiful new lesson from the unit 4, a reading that is an adventure. So previously we studied about the brave stories about Wilma Rudolph and about Tess in third unit, how a small girl saved her brother's life, Andrew in the third unit about saving of money and being brave, being bold. So we discussed all those things in the previous class, right? So today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit 4, an adventure. So most probably you know the meaning of adventure, right? Do you know what is the meaning of adventure? Adventure means, for example, most probably you will feel that adventure means going through the forest. Nothing but adventure means getting unknown things, going through unknown things. So that is an adventure. So we will watch many adventurous movies like Anaconda, right? Anaconda, we will have an adventurous movie you will have to watch. So like that, adventures. So here we have an adventure. So who done that adventure and why we are going to talk about the lesson, and especially this is for children, for you, for 6th class children. It is about you, how a 6th class girl done an adventure and how she achieved success in her life. So this was very beautifully shown in the form of an adventure, a beautiful story here. So let's read and understand. So welcome to our class, and today we are going to start about a new lesson, an adventure. Let's go, said Seema, or it will be time for lunch before we know it. Yes, let's go towards the old temple, said Arun, her cousin. So this is a story which was going between two characters. One is Seema, next is Arun. So both were cousins. So here what happened here means Seema and Arun were going somewhere. So where they were going means they were going towards old temple, So why they were going there and what is specialty of the old temple means, and why they were special to the place, and why they are taking that as an adventure, and why they were really interested to be there means here, as always they had come to Vishnupur. So where they were now? They were in Vishnupur. So they were in a place called Vishnupur. So why they went to Vishnupur? On a vacation on their grandparents. So for the holidays. We will go for holidays, for example during Dasara, Batkama holidays, or Pongal holidays, for Sankra, or for Christmas holidays, or for any holidays. We will go for some other relatives' homes, right? Especially grandfather's homes, grandmother's homes. Same here, Arun and Seema also went to their vacation to a place called Vishnupur. Vacation means what? Holidays. Okay, they went on occasion. Vacation means different. Occasion means function, and vacation means holidays. Okay, so they went on a holiday to which place? Vishnupur. So in Vishnupur they were going to which place now? To see old temple. They were going to an old temple. So see here, it was a small quiet town surrounded by green hills and some ancient drains. They particularly loved going for walks and spend hours exploring the old temple in a fort nearby. Sometimes they pretended to be rulers of an ancient kingdom, and at other times they played hide and seek. So not only to the old temple, there also they're having a fort. Maybe in our Medak we have a fort, right? Do we have a fort here? Yes, we have a fort here. The same thing here, that Vishnupur was totally covered with a hilly place, means totally surrounded by mountains. And not only mountains, they are also having a fort. And fort, there a temple was nearby. So there they used to go to the fort and temple, and they used to pretend, means they used to be like, act like ancient kings. When they were in the fort, they will be here like, yes, you are the king, I am your minister. So they used to act, and they used to have fun there, and they used to spend their vacation at the Vishnupur. Not only that, they used to play hide and seek. They used to play hide and seek in the fort. Which the game they are playing? Hide. Hide and seek they used to play. So they used to play hide and seek. Catch me if you can, shouted Arun, and ran ahead. And he ran ahead. So now they are playing hide and seek and touch me not, like that. Hide and seek. So what happened? Arun ran very, very fast and shouted, saying that, Seema, Seema, if possible, catch me if you can. Catch me if you can, and I will catch you in a minute, replied Seema as she followed. So Arun was running for a friend, and Seema was following him. So she said that, in 1 minute I will catch you, my dear brother. Definitely I will catch you, Arun. Arun was soon out of sight. As she went around to the corner, Seema knew his favorite hiding place and smiled to herself, thinking, he won't escape me. So now what happened? So finally, after 1 minute, Arun was disappeared. He was not seen anywhere. So Seema knows very well where Arun usually going to hide. So Seema knows where usually Arun hides. So she thought, my dear brother, I know you very well. I know where you will hide. So you can't escape from me. So Seema is going to catch Arun. So she ran down the hill towards the old temple where she knew Arun would be hiding, but he wasn't there. So what happened, so Seema knows always Arun used to hide at the temple place. So she went to the temple and she has seen there, but Arun was not there. Arun was not there. Then immediately what happened? He must have gone to the cave, she thought. So this was another favorite place for them, a cave hidden behind some creepers. So what Seema thought, maybe he was not at the temple. So beside the temple there was a cave. There was a cave. Maybe my brother was not here, means definitely he will be in the cave. So she is going into the cave nearby the old temple. So, Arun, I am here, Seema called out as she reached the cave. So when she went to near the cave, she was shouting, Arun, Arun, I am at the entrance of the cave. Come out, I have seen you. There was no reply. Seema couldn't see anyone. She was about to enter the cave. Now see what happened. So she was shouting, Arun, Arun, I came to the cave. Come out, I know where you are. Come out. But she didn't get any answer. Usually when she went there, immediately Arun say, yes, come, he will come out. But Arun was not coming out. Then she was going inside the cave. When she was going inside the cave, when she caught a sight of piece of torn crumpled paper on the ground. There she found a piece of crumpled paper. Means paper will be like this, crumpled, folded, all like this. So when you took a waste paper, you will fold like this, so like that the paper was crumpled and on the ground. She picked it up and unfolded it out. How odd, it had letters CLP written on it. So that the piece of paper contains letters like this, CLP, or was written on the paper. Then she took the paper and she was reading. Just then she heard Arun calling out, Seema, where are you? So when she was reading the paper, then immediately Arun called from the far, saying that, Seema, where are you? I came out. Then immediately, here, said Seema to Arun, who was standing at the entrance of the cave. I was looking for you. Then immediately she said that, why you are standing at there? Come here. I was searching for you, my dear Seema. Come, we will go. What have you got in your hand? Asked Arun. Then immediately Arun said, say, what is in your hand? You are having some paper in your hand. What is it? Then Seema saying that, yes, it's nothing, just a piece of paper with CLP written on it, said Seema. Then immediately Seema said nothing was there. It was very, very simple. It was very, very simple. CLP was written on it. CLP was written on it. I couldn't find anything on the paper. Then immediately Arun was saying, don't throw it. Let me see, said Arun. As he took the paper from her, he looked at it carefully. See, if you look at the torn edge of the paper, of the letter, which could be an E and not C. So now the paper was torn. So the paper was torn. So my dear sister, if you clearly observe the paper, the edge of the C has been cut. So maybe it is not C. Maybe it is E. So maybe it is E-L-P. No, it may be E-L-P. So what is the meaning of E-L-P? Do you think it could be help? Asked Seema. Maybe do you think it is H-E-L-P? No, maybe H may be missing. Maybe do you mean it is H-E-L-P? Asked Seema. Help! My goodness! Someone is in trouble. We must find him, said Arun. Now Arun was saying maybe, oh, my dear Seema, you said correctly. Maybe somebody was in danger. Maybe they need our help. So we have to help them. Someone was in trouble. We must find him. So we have to find the person who was in the danger. Then immediately, or her, added Seema, maybe he or her we have to find. So but where do we go? There is no one in the temple and there no one in the cave too. So already they have seen the temple, so nobody in the temple and nobody in the cave. So both they were discussing maybe who written this H-E-L-P and where he was. So where is the place? Because in the temple nobody was there. In the cave, nobody was there. So where we have to find the person? So let's try the Meena Bazaar. There is a secret passage, said Arun excitedly. So Arun saying that, my dear sister, there is secret passage. Secret passage means, from down. So from Medak Fort Church to, I heard that Medak Church to Fort, there is a secret passage. So like that, here maybe a passage was there, Meena Bazaar, a secret passage. So Meena Bazaar was once a popular market for royal ladies, but all that remained now was just a few crumbling walls. A secret passage was connected to the market. They ran towards it. So now there was a secret passage, where means they are the royal members. If you watch some older movies, the royal ladies won't come out. So how they will come to the market means they will have a secret passage. So through a secret passage, for example, if it is a palace, from here to, from palace to the market, there will be a secret passage. There will be a secret passage. So they will come and they will buy or they will purchase all those things, and again they will go to the palace. So there will be a secret passage. So that is, here also there is a secret passage, that is Meena Bazaar. What is that? Meena Bazaar. So in the Meena Bazaar, it was secret place. So there it will connect to the market. It will connect to a market. So let's try in the Meena Bazaar. We couldn't find the old temple. We couldn't find any person in the fort. We couldn't find anyone in the cave. So let's see in the Meena Bazaar. So they are going to search in the Meena Bazaar. So there they found a man with his hands and feet tied up. He had a gag on his mouth and was struggling to free himself. The children removed the gag and helped him free his hands and feet. So now what happened, so when they went into the secret pass of Meena Bazaar, there they found a man with tying their hands and legs, and gag means a cloth we will keep in mouth. For example, a gag will be there. Commonly we will keep in our mouths, yes or no? without talking any to stop words. So a gag in his mouth and hands and legs were tied. So he was there. Then immediately the children went there and he removed untied his hands and legs. Immediately, hurry, the man said, the smugglers will come back. Then immediately the man was saying that, come dear children, come, let's move from this place, because the smugglers will come back. The smugglers will come back. They ran all the way through the secret passage. They were soon out of breath. Do not stop yet, panted the man. They will be back any moment. So now they started running towards the Meena Bazaar, the passage, and they were not even stopping. The man saying, don't stop, run, run, run. How fast you can run, run, because the smugglers may come at any time. So run fast, run fast. So all they were running without taking any breath, any gap. They were moving on. So soon they reached home. Their parents, the grandparents were surprised to see them. So finally, like moving, finally they reached home. So when they reached home, the grandparents were surprised to see them. Why? Because now tell us, who are you? Seema asked the man. So immediately after reaching home, Seema asked, tell me uncle, who are you? Who are you, man? Why they tied you? Why you run the passage? Why you were arrested, or why you were kidnapped? What happened? Who are you? Tell me first. Then immediately the man saying like this, oh, who tied you up, Arun, and why? Continued Seema. I will tell you the whole story, but first call the police, said the man. So they were asking one by one question. Who are you? Tell me why you are there. Who kidnapped you? Who tied you up? So one by one they are asking question. Then the man said, okay, I will tell you the entire story, but first make a call to the police and let them come here. Then I will tell you the entire story. So what man saying that? So he was restlessly walking. So when he comes there, again Seema and Arun started questioning the man, saying, hey, tell me, who are you? Why you are in the passage? Who tied you there? Why you are saying to run fast? Who are the smugglers? So what happened? Why you were there? So one after one they are asking big questions, one after one, big questions. So that man said, please wait, I will tell you the entire story. What happened, who I am, why I was there, who kidnapped me or who tied me. I will tell you everything. So before that, first you make a call to the police. So let them come here. I will explain you everything. So he's saying that the police arrived in no time. So finally the policeman came there. Now, the man they had freed was a police officer in a plain clothes. So now, who is that man they saved? Means the man who was saved by Arun and Seema was a police officer. Okay, he was a police officer in a plain clothes. So he was following the gang of smugglers who had caught him and tied him up. Before that, he had managed to write HCLP on a piece of paper and had thrown it, hoping that someone would find it. So now what happened, so he's a police officer, so he was following a gang. So mafti, you call him mafti, means silently without uniform. He was following a gang of smugglers. So when he was following the gang of smugglers, they caught him. So they took him. So before taking that into the cave, he written HCLP and he thrown the paper outside. So when he thrown the paper outside, he thought that somebody will look at the paper and someone will come inside the passage and they will help me. So he expected, and he drawn everything and he written everything. So finally he said that I am a police officer and I was in a secret operation to find out the gang of smugglers. So finally you helped me to come out from the passage. Then they were all going to kill me, but thanks to you, I am safe. We will now go and catch the smugglers, said the man. So now man said, thank you, my dear children, because if you won't come, they are going to kill me soon. So you came and you saved my life. Not only my life, you saved the police officer. Now we will go and we will catch the smugglers. So now what an adventure. Wait till I tell my friends about it, said Seema. they will never believe us, said Arun. That's enough, children. It's time for lunch, Granny. So now what happened? Finally, they were saying that, Mom, I have to tell the story to my friends. If I say the story to my friends, definitely, they won't believe me. But we have to tell the story to my friends. Then immediately grandmother saying that, come, my dear children, come. It is the time for lunch. So there the story, there the adventure story has been ended. So now it is the end of the part of an adventure. Now let me remember all the story, okay? Where the story happened, or who is Seema and Arun? Seema and Arun were cousins. So where they went for vacations, they went to Vishnupur. So what is their usual place for playing? So old temple and fort. So what are their favorite game? What they used to play when they went to the old temple and there? So they used to play hide and seek. So one day when they were playing hide and seek, Arun went fast and Seema was trying to catch where Arun was. So when she was searching for Arun, she found a piece of paper written CLP. So when Arun came, Arun saw the paper and Arun said, it is not CLP, it is ELP. So maybe it is help. So maybe somebody was in danger, so we have to save them. So immediately they started searching. They thought old temple was nobody there, fort nobody was there, cave nobody was there. So Arun said there was a secret passage. So what is the secret passage name? Meena Bazaar. So Meena Bazaar was there. So we will search in Meena Bazaar. So when they were going into the Meena Bazaar, when they were inside the Meena Bazaar, they found a man tying on the chair, tying their hands and legs and a gag in their mouth. Immediately what they did, they removed the gag and untied him, and he said, my dear children, run, because the smugglers will come at any time, please run. So they started running. So when they were running, finally they reached home. When they reached home, the man, then Arun and Seema asking question, tell me, who are you? Why you were there? Who tied you? Who kidnapped you? Why you were there? What happened to you? And everything, one after one they are asking. So immediately the man said, okay, I will explain you everything. So first make a call to police officers and make them to come here. So after some time the police came. So when they come, then they come to know the man whom they saved is a police officer, right? So they saved the police officer, and he said that I am in Mufti, means I am following a secret gang. I am following a gang of smugglers who were smuggling. So when I was following them, they caught me and they kept in Meena Bazaar, in the secret passage. So if you won't come, definitely they will kill me. So my dear children, you came and you saved my life. So thank you very much, he said to the children, and he came back to the smugglers and he arrested everyone. So there the story ends, and Seema was very, very happy because to save an adventurous, to have an adventurous journey, and grandmother calling, my dear children, that is enough, please come to home, or please come inside to have a lunch. So there the story has been ended, children. So this is an adventure. Maybe you are also having great adventures when you are at home. You will have some adventures. So everybody loves adventures. So now you can understand how Seema and Arun were very, very brave. Yes? Are they brave or not? Are they brave or cowards? Brave people means very courage people. Yes or no? They went inside the Meena passage, and they went inside and they searched who was there, and they had seen who was in the passage. So they tried their level best without having fear. Yes or no? If they have fear, will they go inside the Meena passage? Will they go to the Meena Bazaar? Will they go? No. They are very, very strong people. They were very, very strong and brave people. So this type of people need brave awards. So let me ask you questions here. So then you can answer. Okay. Seema and Arun went to Vishnupur, right? They went to Vishnupur. For what they went to Vishnupur here? They went to Vishnupur on a What they went? Vacation, right? They went on a vacation. So I said, what is the meaning of vacation? Occasion means what? Function. Vacation means holiday, right? Vacation means holiday. So what they found at the entrance of the cave? What they found at the entrance of cave? Yes, they found a piece of paper written CLP on it, right? So next one. The man Seema, Aruna and Seema. Who is that man whom the Aruna and Seema help? Yes, the man is a police officer. Very good, Chili. You are answering very, very correctly. So let me give one more question for you. Are the children brave or coward? So Seema and Arun, brave or not? Yeah, one more question is for you. Next, the man whom the children found near the secret passage was a smuggler. Is it true or false? Whom they found at the entrance of the secret passage? A smuggler? No. Whom they found? A police officer. Very good. Next, one more question. The man advised the children not to call the police. What he said after going to the grandmothers of Seema and Arun home, what he said immediately in the first, call the police. Immediately I will explain you all the things, right? Very good. So next one, Seema and Arun. So they rescued the man from danger. True or false? Whether he was in danger or in the safest place. Guess. What is the condition of the man who was in the secret passage? Whether he was sitting luxuriously and eating food and simply sleeping there? No, he has a gag in his mouth and feet has been tied, hands has been tied. So he was in a danger. So now one more question for you here. The children ran back to their grandparents' house with the man or not? Will they reach the man without the man or with the man? So with whom they went? Yes, along with the man, they reached the grandmother's home. After going there, what happened? Immediately Seema asked a question. After Arun asked, who are you? Why you are there? So one after one, they asked questions, right? So they went along with the man. Who was the man finally? He was a man, policeman who was in Mapti, who was following a gang of smugglers. So that is the end of the story and adventure. Now we can call these people. Who are those people? Seema and Arun, whom they tried the level best to save the police officer. Yes? They went to play in the place of the old temple, but finally with their braveness, with their courage, with their strength, finally they got a man who was in danger. They saved. So children, now we have to say that Seema and Arun were a brave people. So that is the end of the story and adventure. Let me remember all the stories here. Where the incidents happened here? In Vishnupur. So why Seema and Arun went to Vishnupur? They went on a vacation. Vacation means what? A holiday. So what is their favorite place for playing? All the temple and fort. So what they used to play in the old temple and fort commonly every time? So they used to play hide and seek. So when they were playing hide and seek, one day what happened? They found a piece of paper written on CLP. When Seema thought that is CLP, but when Arun saw that is ELP, so they filled the word with HELP, means help. So they searched for man, somebody was in danger. So they searched in the cave, nobody was there, temple, nobody was there. So they have went into the secret passage, Meena Bazaar. So in the Meena Bazaar, they had seen a man with his gag on his mouth, in his mouth, and feet were tied and hands were tied. So they untied him. So when they untied, what happened? Immediately the man said, run children, run, because the smugglers will come at any time. So run. So without taking any break, without any gap, so they started running towards their grandmother's home. So finally they reached the grandmother's home, and the man asked to call the police. And why? Because he is also a policemen. So later they came and they rescued him and they arrested all the smugglers. Later the Seema and Arun become the brave men, and there the story ends. So it is the end of the story and adventure. So thank you children, and meet you in the next class. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.